How to download Repo in your device. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Repo using legit methods through the Steam app. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, launch the Steam desktop app. If you don't have it installed yet, go to store.steampowered.com, download it, and log in or create a new account. Click on the search bar. Type Repo and press enter. Click on the game from the search results to go to its official page. Steam frequently offers free weekends, midweek madness, or seasonal sales like summer sale or winter sale. During these promotions, games like Repo are sometimes completely free to play for a limited time or heavily discounted, even 100% off. If Repo is currently free, you'll see a button that says Play Game or Install instead of the price. Click that button to add the game to your library at no cost. After clicking Install, the game will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, you can start playing Repo immediately from your Steam library. To never miss a free offer, add Repo to your wishlist. Steam will send you an email whenever there's a price drop or free-to-play weekend for the game. So that's how you can download Repo for free on Steam, either through limited-time discounts or during a free weekend. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.